Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Hello friends, welcome back to Fauzi Alfaz. In this video, we will discuss 26th April most important one-liner current affair. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Naval forces of India and France have started bilateral military exercise Varun 2021 in the Arabian Sea on April 25, 2021 and which will end on April 27, 2021. Ministry of Defence, Headquarter, New Delhi, founded 15th August 1947. Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat. Chief of the Army Staff, General Manoj Mukund Narwane. Chief of the Navy Staff, Admiral Karambir Singh. Chief of the Air Force Staff, Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria. Lieutenant General Raju will take over as the Director General of Military Operations of the Indian Army. Dish Network has signed a deal with Amazon to build its 5G network on Amazon Web Services cloud platform. The Election Commission of India has banned any form of Padyatra, roadshows, vehicle rallies in Pol Bond, West Bengal in the light of non-adherence to the coronavirus protocols by the political parties. West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee, Governor Jagdeep Dhankar. President Joe Biden announced tax credits for some businesses to give paid time off for their employees to get COVID-19 vaccines. Businesses will be reimbursed for the cost of giving workers up to 80 hours in paid time off to get their shots and recover from side effects. World Bank economist Poonam Gupta has been appointed as the new Director General of the policy think tank National Council of Applied Economic Research. National Council of Applied Economic Research, Headquarter, New Delhi, founded 1956. The fifth batch of Rafale fighter aircrafts arrived in India on Wednesday, flying a distance of 8,000 km from Marignane Air Base in France. The Indian Air Force thanked the French and UAE Air Forces for their refueling support to complete the journey. Indian Air Force, founded 8th October 1932, Headquarter, New Delhi. Commander-in-Chief President Ram Nath Kovind, Chief of the Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria. Russia is ready to start building its own space station with the aim of launching into orbit by 2030. If President Vladimir Putin gives the go-ahead, the head of Roscosmos Space Agency, Russia President Vladimir Putin. Union Minister for Science and Technology and Health and Family Welfare Dr. Harsh Vardhan has launched Aahar Kranti, a mission dedicated to spreading awareness about nutrition and accessible to all locally available nutrition food, fruits and vegetables in India. In recent news, Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan launched the Tribal Health Collaborative Anamya through a video conference. Minister of Health and Family Welfare, founded 1976, Headquarter, New Delhi. Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Harsh Vardhan. Union Minister of Education Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank addressed at the 34th convocation of Indira Gandhi National Open University through virtual mode. Minister of Education, formed 15th August 1947, Headquarter, New Delhi. India had the Minister of Education since 1947. In 1985, Rajiv Gandhi government changed its name to Minister of Human Resources of Development, and with the public announcement of newly drafted National Education Policy 2020 by the Narendra Modi government, Minister of Human Resources Development was renamed back to Minister of Education. K. Madhavan has been appointed as the President of the Walt Disney Company India and Star India with immediate effect. Arjun Kalyan became the country's 68th Grandmaster in the ongoing GM Round Robin Ruzna Jora 3rd 2021 tournament in Serbia. The 18-year-old BCom student defeated GM Kosik Dragon of Montenegro in the 5th round to achieve the feat. Madhya Pradesh government is working on war footing to augment oxygen production in the state. Madhya Pradesh CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Governor Anandiben Patel. Vedanta Limited has launched the Vedanta Sati programs through which the company will be creating industrial park and cluster for the micro, small and medium enterprises in metals, mining and oil and gas space to aid with sourcing, finances, raw material and provide R&D facilities. Islamic scholar Maulana Wahiduddin Khan passed away at the age of 96. He had recently tested positive for COVID-19. In January this year, the government has announced that Khan would be awarded the Padam Vibhushan, the country's second highest civilian award. World Malaria Day is observed on April 25th every year. The theme of World Malaria Day 2021 is reaching zero malaria target. The day is celebrated to spread awareness about malaria disease and to promote efforts to prevent malaria. So this is all about today's video. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care and Jai Hind. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update.